Very happy to be here today. So bonjour, guten tag, buenos dias, bom dia, dobry bien. Hello, everyone. Thanks for being here today. We have people from Portugal, Czech Republic, France, Canada, Germany, Mexico, India, Nigeria, US, South Africa. So we are really an international group. So for today's presentation, I wanted to do a little disclaimer. I'm here today as a vice president of the Canadian Network of Scientific Platforms as a volunteer. But for sake of transparency, I declare that I also have my own company, which is Sesame Scientific Solutions. So the three sessions for these next 3 weeks will be shared between Claire, Gleb, and I for presentations. We include time for questions and discussion at different parts of the presentation, and we invite you to share your views and feedback then. So the workshop outline is as follows. For this current session, we'll do an introduction, work on key performance indicators, KPIs, and socio-economic indicators. For the session 2 next week will be about telling your stories to demonstrate socio-economic impact. And for session 3 will be bibliometric research and presentation of impact videos. So for today's session, we'll start by an icebreaker session to start a bit of networking within the groups. We'll be talking about the need to measure impact and how it became apparent in the platform scientific community. Then we will dig into the reasons why it is so important to measure it based on the scientific platform's unique perspective and importance in the research ecosystem. And to illustrate community-driven impact recommendation, we'll share the global bioimaging experience in developing recommendations. Then we will illustrate some KPIs and SEIs and go into breakout rooms to discuss the relevance according to your reality. We finally will showcase some case studies and reflect into groups about them. And in considering measuring impact is not necessarily easy, and we'll also suggest some tools that can help you in the process.